By the way, how many of you have ever said to your kids, "Are you being a good listener?" Are you listening? Are your listening ears on? That's another pattern. That stuff. Are you being a good listener? It's like, yeah, I just heard those words. Are you listening? You're not listening. I heard those words and I heard those words too. They're always listening. They're just choosing not to follow your directions. You're not listening. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not. I mean, what are you doing? And you're confusing the kids, and you blame the kids because they're not being good listeners and they hear everything. These are patterns that you're stuck in. You get what you get.
You don't get
fit. Right. And then you say that to a kid thinking they're going to buy it. You go out to dinner and ask for your favorite meal and someone brings you a tofu salad and you say, "I don't want this. This isn't what I ordered." And the waiter goes, "You get what you get," and you don't get upset. And you lose your mind. And why? Ready? Answer your mind. Why? Okay, good. Ready? Because I paid for it. Something because green pieces of paper or a plastic card has something to do with why someone shouldn't say that to you, but it's okay for you to say, "Was that a good choice? Are you making good choices? Was that a good choice?" Well, yeah, there's 10 kids here. They're all doing what they're supposed to be doing, and I'm the one kid not doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and all the attention's on me, so absolutely 100% making a good choice.